Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Savage and today we're going to be having a look at FTM against this USDT pair. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to show your support, please hit that like and subscribe button below and feel free to comment with any feedback that you may have. While you're down there, you can find a link to our Discord. This is where the magic happens. We have live AMAs with the whole team twice a week, live chart analysis daily, Elliott wave theory lessons, TA requests for our members, and a whole list of other things going on in there. Why not come and have a look? Once in the general chat area, just mention a member of staff and we'll be happy to help you out. Also in the description below, you will find an affiliate link to BYBIT. This is one of the best exchanges in our opinion, and it's the one that we all use when we're trading, whether that's leverage trading or just spot trading. It really is a great exchange. Okay, let's get into the price action. So we've had this nice pump up here, and it's reacting off this fifth wave zone that we had previously. So in the previous video, we're looking at two options: that either we have an expanding flatten here, and that this five wave move is going to be the end of a correction. So this would, in this case, we'd be looking at this as an A wave here, a B wave up into this zone, which could technically be completed, but I'm thinking there's an additional fourth and fifth. We'll go over that in a second. And then looking for this additional C wave down in a five wave move. And this would be looking at the potential of having a contracting ending diagonal here. So let's get into the shorter time frame moves that we were looking at. So initially, I was looking for this to come down deeper, but it didn't. It only came down to this 2330 area, and it's moved back up here into this fifth wave position. So now we seem to be having the five wave move to the downside. And if I come in a bit closer, you can see there's one, two, and it's possible we're still within the third wave of this. But so that would tie in quite nicely to having an additional fourth and a fifth wave, because this wave here is a flat correction. So if we were to get a zigzag here, it would tie in quite nicely to this additional fifth wave. So with the basically what we'd be looking for here is we'd be looking for this to come down in a 1, a 2, 3, this is a fourth wave, and then come down for a fifth. Then from that point, we'd be looking for a retracement. I'm going to just have let me measure this out accurately actually. Let's get this going. So if we come back up here towards this top area, we could look to push down into this zone here of the 2310 to 2287 area for the fifth wave, and then we could be looking for a retracement back to the upside. So if we have a look at this and we say the 618 is 2450, so let me get rid of this one, and we will take a measurement off our top here to this estimated low and look down to here. So the 1-to-1, if we travel down to this fifth wave area and then we move back up to the 618, that 1-to-1 would bring us down here towards this 2202 area. So that could be, it could look to target out that area, or we could potentially get a little bit more of a move down here, and that will make this first wave longer, and then we'd be looking for an A, a B, and a C, which might look to the zone I'm looking to target out is between this 0.2225 and 0.2129 area. Somewhere within that zone would also line up with this previous fourth wave within here. Well, it's not really a fourth wave. Actually, this would be a second wave within this move. So that could look to target out this wave 2 area. Because this is developing as a zigzag, it will often go deeper. So that's why we're looking at this zone. And if we do find support in there, then we could be looking for an additional leg to the upside, which would be potentially up to this 02726 area and 02605 area. So if that happens, the thing we need to remember here is, because we've had such a deep fourth wave, if this plays out, sometimes this fifth wave might not have the power to get all the way up here, and what it might do is look to truncate. It might just pass this wave 3 high and then stop, or it might fall slightly short. So we'll have to monitor this move from here. But potentially we have this move to the upside here. So on the flip side of that, if this five wave move develops and we come down into these lower zones here, so we're looking about 23 cent, Um, we'd be looking for a retracement to the upside here, and we'd need to monitor the next move to the downside. And if we go off of what we plotted, so if we say it comes down to here and then it retraces back up to this zone, we'd be looking falling below this 20 cent region, would be looking at having an impulsive move here to the downside, and then that would be a little bit of more of a confirmation that we could potentially be looking to start this C wave to the downside. So that is what we're going to be looking out for. We want to keep an eye on this area here, see if the support holds. I think there's previous resistance and support in this zone here. So if we have a look on this side here, you can see that we have this previous support here, resistance. So it's possible we might come back and retest that zone. So if that's the case, then we could still be looking for this move to the upside. The other way that we were looking at this is potentially that we have a completed 5-wave move here, and that we are looking at a move to the upside. So either whether we have this additional 4th and 5th wave up, or we complete here and then we look to make this B wave to the downside. So should we start to form an impulsive structure within this move, we could potentially be looking at a B, and a C down into these lows, and that would be a B wave retracement. If that's the case, we'd be looking to target out this between this 20.89 and the 0.289 and 0.1170 area, and then that would take us down into this low point. And if we find support within this region, we could be looking for an additional C wave to the upside. So these are the areas we need to watch. We need to see how we react off these levels, and then from there we can get a better indication of which potential option is playing out. Um, Currently, this one is my preferred count. The potential that we're having this diagonal, because it's the neatest option, and it kind of lines up with a lot of what I think is going to happen with the other coins. So we'll just have to keep an eye on these. Thank you for watching, and if you'd enjoyed the video and haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. This really helps us out. I hope that everyone has a great day, and until we meet again, keep safe out there, everyone.